YouTubers, this is Dialer. What I got here today is a new package from DHL that I will unbox, and it should contain the smartwatch called K2 W100 from the seller called Pillar on DHGate.com. As always, take a look down in the video description for more details. So now to the unboxing. So as you can see here, it comes really well packed, protected. So here we see the box. In the top it says watch phone, and we have the typical Happy Life smartwatch on the front. On the side again we have the CE logo and the smartwatch. Let's take a look on the back here. On the back, smartwatch again. Wonderful life created by you. So this box comes with this typical wood look, like the Samsung Galaxy Gear. Let's take a look inside. And here we have the watch. So beside that we have here a cable, and it looks to be the USB cable, yeah. And here we have the wall charger, and this one is a 5-volt charger. Then we also have a user manual, Happy Life smartwatch. So this is the K2 W100 with a 1.54 inch screen with resolution 320 by 240 pixels. It's running the MTK6572 dual core Cortex A7, and it has 1.2 GHz and using the GPU Mali 400. It has features like Bluetooth, camera, GPS, Wi-Fi and FM radio. So I believe that this watch is also called the Star Kingelon K2 that my INJ before have reviewed. Let's take off the screen protector now here. And let's take a close look to the watch. As you can see, it really looks like the Gear from Samsung. We have this metal finish look here. Actually it feels kind of cold, so I don't know if this is really metal or plastic. Could be a fake, but it's really good. It looks really nice. So on this side here we have the micro USB port and we have the power button. On the other side I believe we have the microphone. On this side we have the camera, and we also see that it looks like these screws here are on top and bottom, like on the original version from Samsung. Another thing to notice is that there's some kind of texture in this rubber band here, so it looks really nice. On the back we have nothing, and let's try to open up this. Here we have some more plastic. Okay, so now I have removed the plastic here, and we see how it works. And it's possible to adjust this in different sizes here. Let's try to put it on like this, and then you just click it on like this and it's closed. You open it like this. Let me try to put it on. As you can see, it fits perfectly. And I believe we have some kind of speaker down here. Actually, I will remove the plastic here. So now I'm going to turn on the watch to see if it has any battery. And here we see the boot up and the UI. Actually the color is kind of red. It's hard to see here in the video maybe, but let's take a look here in the menu. So far it looks really nice, and try to turn on the camera to take a look. Here we have the camera turned on. As you can see here my hand. And the camera actually is pretty fast. So here I have my other smartwatch, the PW305, and as you can see here, the size is similar to the K2. But here we have some kind of brushed metal look, and here we have like chrome instead. I believe inside the settings it's also possible to change the menu. Let's see where we can do this. And right now we see that the icon style is set to color. We'll try to change this to normal. And now we see the icons have changed. Try to change the wallpaper also. So this way it looks a lot more like the original Samsung Galaxy Gear. And once again, here to comparison. So what I especially like with the K2 is this lock here. And we have the speaker and the camera built in. So that's it for now. I will soon return with a full review of this device. Please comment and subscribe if you like my videos. I hope to see you in my next video. See ya.